When one is digging holes in the rain in the autumn and planting bulbs, you do wonder why you do it. Well, I'll show you why you do it. This is a wilder area of a garden where we've planted lots and lots of daffs. You can see they're in various clumps. The newer plantings are much closer, like the one I'm just passing right now, whereas we spaced them out a bit too much the year before. They're the year befores. These are the newer plantations that we put in this year. I'm coming up here to one of my favourites, and I'll just show you this. Is Cheerfulness. Again, Cheerfulness is slightly perfumed, it's got a lovely multi-head. I mean, let's just come in on a couple of those and see what you think of those. I mean, they are absolutely gorgeous, aren't they? You couldn't fault them, could you? Hey, doesn't it bring some spring colour to your garden? And this is all planted in, yes, October, and we ran into November. More Cheerfulness there. Fortune, King Alfreds are in here. At the back we've got a blue anemone blander just coming through on the border there. And we'll come round here and you'll see why we plant in different batches at different times, because here we've got a later one coming up. I have to tell you, I don't actually know which one this is, but you can see the buds are just forming. A lovely group here. Over here we've got little ones there, dwarf narcissi there, and as we come round here we got some white lion here coming through here, and you can see that we've got a lovely wild area. And in the foreground here, this is wildflower, and a lot of that is regerminating, and we're going to put some more wildflower seed in as soon as the weather breaks. So they are. That is what it's all about. Plant daffodils, because if you plant them in the autumn, this is the sort of display that you can have at this time of the year. It really is rather gorgeous. I mean, just look at these fellas here. So let's go down and see it. Look at that, absolute joy. So start to think about planting these at August time, and then you'll get them nice and early. I better show you these as well, because look, there's a white rogue in here as well. But look at that, look. Beautiful. Nodding heads. Absolutely fantastic. World Radio Gardening told you how to plant them. It's now telling you and showing you exactly the results of all that planting. So there, why not get thinking about it in August? I'll remind you, of course, with all the other jobs that we remind you about on World Radio Gardening. Don't forget, check out our website, and if you want to correspond with us and ask us anything, just send an email to post@worldradiogardening.com.